Welcome to the channel. This is the virtual holiday projector by Mr. Christmas. You may find these for sale in your store, and we thought this video would be helpful. There are two kinds that you would normally see. There's also it looks like a movie camera the projector does in it, and I believe it's called Winter Wonderland projector or something like that. But I had heard not the greatest reviews on that. This was a little bit more, but it was half priced, and the normal price on it is $58, and it was $29. So we're going to try this out. This includes 14 holiday movies with sound. I don't know if the other one had sound. Creates a lifelike animated holiday display from inside your home. This projector has a USB port to play your own movies or pictures, which is nice, and I don't know if the other one had that. So it just seemed like this one had more features. It has a tripod included. It has a remote, which the other one didn't have, and it has a projection screen, which they both have. Setup is easy as 1, 2, 3. Well, we'll see. Hang the screen, set the projector, and enjoy. And then there's 14 fully animated Christmas movies, it says. Virtual Santa by John Hires. And then there's the website mrchristmas.com to visit to learn more. So let's see what's in the box. The movie guide, which is just shows us the pictures stand behind the unit, operate using the remote control. So we have Santa and presents, we have a sleigh, we have carolers, we have snowflakes, toy factory, snow globes, a wreath, greetings, it says letters to Santa, virtual Santa, chimney Santa, Mr. and Mrs. Claus, elf, and what is this? Scrooge. Okay. And here's our virtual holiday projector instructions. This is the screen, and we've got the 3M adhesives, I guess, to attach that. Let's see. Important tips to change the video orientation. Okay, so we've got some important tips on the cord there. We have the remote. And we have the projector. So we've got buttons up here to operate it. We've got the USB port over here so that you could play your own movies. We've got the power adapter port here. And of course, our lens in the front. We have a focus. So it looks like we'll be able to focus it. I don't know if the other one had that. We have our power button. And then menu, play, okay, all that good stuff. So we'll see how this works. The screen size, let's see, is 41.5 inches by 48 inches. The screen is made out of, what do I guess, vinyl, almost like a shower curtain, but not as shiny. That's the screen, but it's not a plastic that's going to rip, like a vinyl-y thin plastic that will rip. It is a woven material. And the ends are sewn. So we'll see how this works. Now it has all those lines in it, so I'm not sure if there's tips on getting those out. I don't know if you can steam something like this or what, but we'll see. I forgot to show you guys, there is a tripod that's included, and this is the tripod. Goes, if you want, into the bottom of the projector. And you know, they're flexible, so you can put it in a variety of positions and heights. But that's what's going on here. Okay, I just wanted to show you that because I was clearing out the box and I was like, oh no. Alright guys, I'm in a room that's under construction in my house, so excuse the mess. They're putting wood flooring in, so we've taken the curtains down. That's why it's got the hardware there. No curtains. But this is the window now that I'm using. Now, of course, I could have gone all the way up, but I really couldn't have because my windows are bigger than that. And I just wanted to do the bottom portion. I'm sure I could find something suitable if I wanted to use this whole window or the huge window I have in the other room. But right now I just kind of folded this in half and I put it on top of that, and I took the grill off the window. Like you see the grill on top, I took the grill off. This is just a test because I'm not going to leave this up because it's the end of the season now, but I just want to see how it works and show you how it works. So I'm going to get the projector hooked up, and then we're going to take a look at it from the inside and the outside, okay? Okay guys, I am going to shut the volume so that you can hear me, but it does have volume for songs and everything. I'm just going to shut the volume now, put it on mute. Okay, now it's a little bit interesting to operate. Now I don't have this back all the way, and I do have the controls on. The further back I move it, it will become larger. It is in the 16:9, but you can have it in 4:3. Now this is going to go to, it's going to cycle through the things. Let me see a minute. You have to hold the remote behind. There we go. Okay, so I think I have it in fast forward now. So let's see, it's going to go, let's just put it on regular play and see if I can get that to play normally. Hold on, just trying to, okay, let's leave it like that for right now. And now I can adjust with the lens right there, and then there is color options for me to do it cool, warm, you know, adjust all kinds of things with the remote. But I'm not gonna, I just don't want to get into all that. It's kind of complex. You can do it, which is good. Gives you the option of sound versus no sound. And I just want to see if I can get us to cycle through the different things. Now I don't have this room completely dark. Let me close things and make that completely dark. Here's where all of the files are for these, so you can see that was the one we were on. Now let's go to the next one. It'll show us a little thumbnail.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas.
Takes a second for it to come on in the thumbnail. This is Santa coming down the chimney.
Santa's that time of year again.
Is it?
Yes, we have a lot of letters.
Oh boy. It's important this time of year. Oh, someone's been busy. Huh?
Look at this. Mr. Santa Claus and Mrs. Claus from Bloomington, Minnesota.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's up north there. That's where
They
the
read
snow
letters
is.
here, and they do mention
Here.
relevant toys.
Oh, Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, everyone! Happy New Year!
And a
Merry
Happy
Christmas.
New Year!
Merry Christmas.
Happy
Merry
New Year.
Christmas. Happy holidays.
Now you can play your own
All over the
video.
world.
Merry Christmas!
Christmas. All over the world.
Happy holidays!
And a happy...
The sound on mute. You can rotate with the flip and flip it any way you want. You see how, okay? And that's in the folder, so you can play your own stuff here for the USB, your own pictures and movies. Okay, and then here's if you want a movie, photos, or music. And this is playing from the flash, or you can change it to the USB. Okay, so if we go back to the folder, again, it's going to show us I believe there's 14 movies here. Okay, let's go back to the folder. Here we go. Okay, again. Or maybe play. Let me see if I have to push play.
Merry Christmas!
Yeah, play. Since we selected that, that's what's going to show. And I can come here and fix colors and focus it
Merry Christmas, everyone! Happy New Year!
better by clicking on the menu button. You see how I've got color temperature. The picture mode there is soft. Oh no, hold on a minute. I get rid of that. But I can go ahead and make adjustments. I do want to... Oh, this is going to go... Maybe that's good. It'll go on a continuous loop. This is the snow globes. Let me see, I'm just moving the camera here, the projector. Now this is the 16:9 resolution. And there are lines in the screen. That's why you're seeing that. I want to see if it's going to cycle through all of them. And then if it does, we can go take a look outside, even though it's like 5 degrees out, guys. I will go out. You can flip it around so that if there is text or anything that you're showing on the outside that you want projected, it will project it out. You can put this on a timer too to go on at a certain time and off at a certain time. Okay, so this will
Merry
go
Christmas,
through all
everyone.
them.
Happy
I'm
New
going to
Year.
just, hold on a
Merry
second.
Christmas.
Put that on mute. And let's go take a look downstairs at what it looks like, okay? So I'm going to shut my camera off here.
See, that's one scene there. I don't know what it's doing. There's Santa Claus waving. And here's somebody, I suppose they're playing. There. another view or scene. It just keeps changing scenes for out here. Yes.
Okay, guys, I don't actually know what was videotaped because this is, just videotaped. I couldn't go out there. The snow was too high. And so I know that you only got a few seconds of it. Sorry about that, but it is really, really cold here. It's in the single digits and there just is too much going on outside. So that will have to give you a glimpse of it for now, but if you do find it on clearance in your stores, I think it is worth the $29. Would I want to pay $60 for this? I don't know. I don't think so. I have other projectors and stuff, and I think if I wanted to do something like this, but for that you can use a USB to project your own photos or your own movies on your window. And like I said, you can find something suitable to use for a screen that will fit different windows in your home, which is something I would have to do because I would want to do it on a full-size window. So, it does work, it has sound. There are a lot of options with it that I could play around with to improve the picture. And I just wanted to get this out very quickly because I know the Christmas clearance is going on and I didn't want to post this after and then you're saying, oh shoot, I would have gotten one for half price or something. Because I know there are not a lot of reviews on this unit in particular that are done by real people, real customers. So I wanted to get this out and that's why I've kind of rushed it a little bit. If you have any questions or anything, just leave it in the comments. I will gladly answer them, but you can find these at half price, maybe even more now at Walmart and probably also at Home Depot and Lowe's and other stores like that, Target. So it's the Mr. Christmas virtual holiday projector that includes 14 holiday movies with sound. And thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye now.